Understanding soaked clothes, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, soaked clothes. This is a common term in English, and understanding its usage can really help in daily conversations, especially in contexts involving weather or laundry. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. The word, soaked, is an adjective and it comes from the verb, soak. To soak something means to make it extremely wet, typically by immersing it in water or by being in heavy rain. When clothes are described as soaked, it means they are completely wet through. This can happen due to rain, accidentally falling into water, or even a laundry mishap. The phrase, soaked clothes, is often used in everyday conversations. For instance, after the rainstorm, my clothes were completely soaked. I forgot to take my clothes out of the washing machine, and now they're all soaked. In these examples, soaked vividly describes the condition of the clothes, being very wet. It's important to differentiate soaked clothes from just wet clothes. While wet clothes are simply damp or slightly wet, soaked clothes are saturated with water. This distinction is key in understanding the intensity of the wetness being described. Interestingly, soaked can also be used figuratively. For example, I was soaked in sweat after the workout. Here, it means being covered in or experiencing a lot of something, in this case, sweat. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of soaked clothes. Understanding such phrases can enrich your English vocabulary and help in everyday communication. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect when learning a new language.